The topic for this video is reflection or reflect. I am going to give introduction to reflection. This is a little advanced topic in Java, which is not commonly used. But you should have some idea about this topic, so I am giving introduction to reflection. See, Java is having a package called java.lang.reflect. Here is a reflect package. It is a sub package of lang package. So this package is having some set of classes. Let us learn about some of those classes. Now, what is the basic idea of reflection? What is the use of it? I will explain first of all. So let us go to main method. See, inside main method, I have created an object of string. Now look at this thing. When I say str dot, NetBeans will show me all the methods and the parameters the methods are taking, the name of a method, the parameter it is taking, as well as the return type. What is the return type? Everything it shows here. Everything it is showing, right? So you are already aware of this, right? So when you press dot, it will pop up and show the list of all methods, right? So the question is, how NetBeans came to know about all these methods? Is it possible for us to find out the methods like this, how NetBeans is doing? Yes, it is possible. So it means NetBeans is just studying the class, looking inside the class and giving the details of a class. So can we look inside the class and get the details of a class? Yes, we can do that. Yes, we can do. That is done using reflection package. The set of classes that are there in reflection package will help us get the information about the class, means the definition of a class. Let us learn how to do it. So we can take a built-in class like string and we can study it, but it will be having a lot of methods. So for explanation, I have written my own class and using that I will explain you. So first of all, let us study our own class, what it is having. I have written a class called my. In that I have 4 data members or properties. Private, protected, public and default. All these properties are there. Okay. So different modifiers I have used and I have declared 4 different properties. Then there is a constructor without any arguments. There is a constructor with arguments. I have not written the code inside the constructor. I wrote a dummy body for these constructors, and almost for all methods I have written dummy body. So just remember this. There is a non-parameterized constructor and there is a parameterized constructor which takes 2 parameters. And there is a display method which takes 2 strings as parameter. One more is a show method which takes 2 integers as parameters. So the class is having 4 properties. Okay, these 4 properties, 2 constructors and 2 methods. Let us see how we can pull the information about the definition of a class by using reflection package. So now we will start inside main method. There is a class called class. I'll take a reference C. Now this class is a class for getting the definition of any particular class. So this represents the definition of any other class. So which class I want? I want class my, right? This my. So I can get its definition by assigning it with my.class. That's it. See, what is this my.class? When we compile our program, we get a class file for this my. You know about this one, right? For every class, there is a class file generated. So we can get the description of that class by using my.class. So this C will get all the details. There is one more method of getting the definition of a class. I will show it. My m_assign new my. I have created an object. Then I will take class C1 assign m dot. M is an object of my and say get class. M dot get class. This will also give the definition of a class. So either you can do it like this without creating object, or after creating an object also you can get the class information by saying m dot get class. Let us follow this first method. I will remove this. Now first thing I will do, system.out.println, I will print c.get name. What is the name of a class? Right? What is the name of a class? Let us run it. See, I got the class name as my, and it is inside a package called reflect demo. Reflect demo. So this has given the class name, just the class name. So C is a reference of type class. It is assigned with my, and this C knows what is the name of a class. All right, this is first thing I have shown you. Then next, let us get other information from the class. So I will show you get. Then see, there are a lot of methods with name get, a lot of things you can get. See, there is one method called get declared fields, and get declared field is also there. So first one gives a reference to a particular field, but you should already know the name, you should give the name. And second one will give you array of fields. Fields are nothing but data members. So let us call this method, and this will return array of a field. So I should take an array of a field. So I will give the array name also as field. Okay, array name also as field. See, just like a class is a class, same way field is also a class. So this will give us the array of these fields, these 4 fields. Those 4 fields are declared. So this is declared field, right? Declared field. Now I want to print all these fields from this array. So for that I should print, but okay, I will use this system.out.println. I will print all of them. So for that I should use for each loop, right? Field f and from field. So this f is a reference, and it will get every object from this field array, and I want the detail of that field, so I will say just f. Okay, so this for each loop I am using for displaying the details of each and every declared field. See, these are declared fields. So let us run this and check what happens. Yes, I am getting all declared fields. Private int a, but it is giving the package name, then class name, then .a, right? Then the second one is giving b and c. All the fields I got. Private, protected, public, and int. All of them I can get it. So this is how you can know all the fields present inside a class. So we are studying about the class with the help of this class as well as a field classes. Now, can we know the constructors? Let us check. I'll show you a method first. Then I will write down a loop and show you everything. C dot get C for constructors. Yes, there is a method called get constructors. This is there. So constructor is also a class here. So constructor, okay, con, I will take an array. It will give me array of all those constructors. Now I want to display details of those constructors. So I will use same for each loop. Already I have it. Okay, so I will take this one, constructor, and this is C, and there the array name I have taken it as con. I have modified this one, and here I will give it as, oh, I am getting error here. Yes, I am using C already here. So for this I will give CT. Okay, CT. So this should display the details of constructors. See, I will explain once again. I am getting constructors in the form of an array of constructors. Then each constructor using for each loop, I will print its details. So CT will be taking one constructor at a time from con, that is array of constructors, and it will be printing it. Let us run and check. See, public my, and one more public, then my with 2 parameters, and the parameters are integer type. So I can get the details of constructors also. Then lastly, what is remaining here? Methods are remaining. So I will show you methods. So I will change this one. Directly I will write now method. Okay, and there should be a method here for getting methods, get methods. Yes, there is a method. Okay, and instead of constructor, this is method. Okay, I will give the name as m here, and this array I will change the name little bit, descriptive name meth. Okay, this is meth. Quickly I am making changes because already you are following this, so you should not get confused. So what all the changes I made? See, I am calling get methods, and I am taking array of methods, and using for each loop I am printing each and every method. Let us run. Yes, Oh, I got so many methods. Yes, the class, every class in Java inherits from object class. So it is getting all the methods of the object also. So the first method is display. This is our own method. Show is also our own method. Then the rest of the methods like wait, equals, object, hash code, get class, notify all these are coming from object class. That's it. These are the methods. Now one more thing I will show you. See, I have an array of methods, of 0, the first one, display method, right? Dot. Is it having any method related to parameters? Yes, get parameters is also there. Get parameters. So let us see parameters also. For that, I should take array of parameters. Parameter, param, array. I have taken array of parameters. Of which method? The very first method, zeroth method. Zeroth method, you remember? What was the zeroth method? Display method. Okay. I'm getting its parameters. Now I want to print all these parameters. So using a for each loop, I will print all the parameters. So I'm printing objects of parameters. So that gives the details of the parameter. If you want just name, you can get the name also. See, first one is argument 0. That is of type string, and the second one is argument is 1, and it is also string. See, it will not give the name. I have given the name as, what is the name I have given? Let us check. S1, S2. It will not give name S1, S2. It will give the type. Type is a string, and this is argument 0, argument 1. Okay. So it is giving the set of parameters also for that method. So that's it. This is how you can pull the information about a class. There are a lot of things that you can do. It depends on your requirement. If you really need it, then you can use this reflection package, and you have to study when you are using it. So if you look at the methods, you can understand easily the method names are more descriptive. Okay. So if you have any requirement, the method itself will tell you that I am useful for you. So don't worry about it. So just practice this little bit. So you should have the idea how to do this. So at least if you have done it once, then you can use it when required easily. That's all in this video.